Number 4, we're going to solve for x. Enter multiple solutions if needed. So step 1, we want to isolate our square root. So right now it's not isolated. It's being divided by 4. So what's the opposite of divide by 4? Multiply by 4. Remember, to get rid of a denominator, you multiply by that denominator. So it's really like we're multiplying 4 over 1. 4's cancel out, and we're just left with the root or whatever the numerator is. So 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, we isolated the root. Step 2, we look at the index. Ours is just a regular square root. So we're going to square both sides. Oops, there we go. So I'm going to square my square root, and I have to keep it balanced. I have to square the other side. So what happens when you square square root, you're left with just what's underneath. So 5 minus 7x. And then over here I have 4 squared. So that's 4 times 4, which is 16. Step 3, we're just going to solve the equation. We're just going to get x by itself. So I'm going to minus 5 on both sides. Negative 7x equals 11. Divide by negative 7. So I have x equals negative 11 over 7. But I don't know if that's the answer. Your last step is always to see if your solution's extraneous. Is it actually a solution? So let's type it in. I have the square root of 5 minus 7x all divided by 4. And we want that to equal 1. So see how I put the left-hand side and the right-hand side. So now I'm going to substitute our answer in for x. I have negative 11 divided by 7. See how those are equal now? I have 1 and 1. That means that the solution's right. It's not extraneous. If those were different, it would be extraneous. So my answer is negative 11 over 7.